Oh. There's a Wendy. There's a Betty drink. Good morning, friends, families, new graduates. Thank you for coming today to my end of the year speech as we graduate. Alrighty, it's Wednesday. What's today? Today's Wednesday? Yeah, today's Thursday, June 23rd, 2022. This is vlog number 325. It's my second day on Mars. Okay, anyways, I am tired.
Bearing a lack of the chemistry, I'm really fucking with all of your energy. Highly pursued, but I don't let it get to me. They say the start of us might be the end of me. I don't read minds, but I see signs. Johnny and June, and we walking.
Very sore and very tired, so I think I'm gonna do a half day today, so I can rest a little bit. I'm just aching all over. And here comes Buddy. But we're continuing on with the siding on this side. Should be a good day. So let's get into the siding, the sheeting siding.
I'll be in Wisconsin, where my childhood was found. I've been talking out to the mountains. Gonna get out of town.
Alrighty, we got this side pretty much done. There's one little piece over there, but I need to cut the roof some more. I also need to figure out how to integrate the roof with the garage. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you have any ideas for that. But you can see now, these windows are gonna be shining bright with light in the morning time. It's like all morning. These are gonna be so bright. And we had plans to put a clerestory. Is that how you say it? Clerestory? I always forget. Windows up, a couple up there, and then a couple down here. But changed the plans a little bit, made it a little bit cheaper. But I think these two windows are gonna be perfect for what we want and getting the most value out of this edition. So yeah, that's fun. Next up, we are going to do the front of the house, I guess. And I think I'm gonna do this side vertically. I don't know if that's gonna cause issues, but I guess we'll find out. So let's do the front.
Find it in the dirt. And it feels strange to me, like I'll never shake in earth. I'm gonna put my hands to work.
Alrighty, welcome back. Just want to say, I'm exhausted. Just feel achy. I don't think I'm sick. I think I'm just exhausted. So I don't want to hurt myself. This might push me back a day. The plan was to have all the plywood on by the end of Saturday. Today's Thursday. So there's still a little bit to do. I don't know, half of it done probably, maybe a little less. 3/8 done. But anyway, I'll see y'all when I feel a little bit better. Wish me luck.
The city's caving, the walls are getting close.
Whoa.
Back on the grind. You are, not me.
Xander, say hi. Okay. Blippi, say hi. Moonbug, say hi. It's actually kind of nice out. So, it's been like a week. It's a Wednesday. I think I stopped last Wednesday afternoon. because I was feeling like straight booty do. And it turns out that I was feeling like booty do. So I didn't get tested for it, but I'm pretty sure I had COVID. My in-laws had COVID, and sister-in-law had COVID. Yeah, I just felt achy and really exhausted for a few days. I was in bed for a few days. I was up and out for a few days, so it was just kind of annoying. And I still don't have like all my energy back, but I feel okay. I just don't feel like as strong, you know, as I did a week prior. But I did do like a tiny bit of work one of the days. I put these up, but after I did that, I was basically done the next day. I slept through the whole day, like just got up to go to the bathroom and stuff. And my stomach also has been like terrible, which I didn't experience the first time I had COVID. Anyway, we're back, mostly back. It also rained, like it poured rain a couple days ago. We had water like coming in our house through the kitchen, and there are some holes, you know, in the sheathing below, which is probably where the freaking cockroaches have been coming in. And so, yeah, so that happened. Thank you all for, you know, sticking around and watching the progress of this thing. I'm excited to continue going on it. Wow. To continue going on it and get it done. So, let's get it. Wrists are already hurting. Yo, so I got a couple of the panels up, and it is the afternoon now, so we will continue with some of the panels. And oh, we also got a delivery. That's the siding and some more wood for the small divider walls. So let's just you know, crank it. Okay, I'm taking you up. I don't really care to do this because I don't want to destroy my damn camera. But, gotta do it for the film, you know? See the top here? Yeah. Don't fall, camera. Please. Okay, I'm just tacking in the plywood with some roofing nails right now, like 4 or 5 of them, to make sure it holds while I'm standing on it. And I'm coming back with a nail gun to get it all secure, so I'm not falling in the hole. Now, my joists are a little bit off, and some spots you can see here. There's a curve here, and there's some curves and straight ones. If you look there, that one is not laying on the rafter right there. So I need to put some supports in there. And then there's a couple other spots, like in this corner. Sorry, you can't really see, but yeah, there's just a few spots where the plywood's not lining up perfectly, so I need to put supports in. That's about the status of the roof, and hopefully we can get the nail gun up here in a little while and get some of that done. So just trying not to fall through in the meantime. Wish me luck. What are you doing out here, bud? Didn't know you were out here. Say hi. Xander. Xander. Say hi. No blippy? Alrighty. I got some of the roof done. It's like at least half done now. Are you leaving now?
Hello.
Are you leaving?
Soon.
Bye.
He like lays on his stomach and like
Taco meat.
He said bye bye Wawa.
Tacos. No tacos.
Come get Bunny. He's saying bye bye, Wawa.
Mama tacos.
Be careful. Are you all done?
Baby tacos. Is that baby tacos? Hey baby tacos.
Are you done with your bath?
Hey baby tacos.
Gotta have your drink. Drink in the tub always.